the Acting Vice-Chancellor, University of Nigeria, Professor Romanus C. Ezeokonkwo, has the pleasure to invite you to the 207th inaugural lecture of the University of Nigeria. The lecture would be presented by one of the erudite professors of the university, Professor Agwu. He is a professor of Agricultural Extension Communication, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. Professor Agwu is going to be speaking on the topic Agricultural Extension Service Delivery and Farmers Adoption Scenarios in Nigeria, Different Paradigms and Emerging Challenges. Date, Thursday, 4th of July 2024. Time, 1 o'clock p.m. Venue, Princess Alexandra Auditorium and Unity Hall, University of Nigeria. So there will be a virtual option. You can join via Zoom, bit.ly/207th inaugural lecture. Meeting ID 981-5891-1678. Passcode 726577. RSVP Professor Bennett C. Wanguma, Chairman, Senate Ceremonials Committee. Thank you.